Is it okay to cheat? Oh, well, I might have cheated a little bit with this wash and go. Keep watching. I'm actually starting on dry hair. Yep, you heard it right. It's what I like to call a cheap wash and go. To get started, I'll be using a water and leave-in conditioner mix. It's essential for hydrating the hair before we apply our styling products. Next, let's talk about botanical gels. This is a lightweight plant-based gel that helps to moisturize your hair and define your curls without weighing them down. It's perfect for adding moisture and making those curls clump together beautifully. I like to finger detangle at this stage to ensure every strand is coated and to help with curl definition. Now to lock in the definition, it's time for the topper gel. Today I'm using a foam to gel mousse by Mousse. This product is amazing because it gives you the hold of a gel with the lightweight feel of a mousse. I'm just going to rake it through my hair, making sure each section is well coated. So now you see how I'm saying I'm kind of cheating the wash and go. Traditionally, you start off with freshly washed hair, soaking wet out of the shower. I did not have time for that. I had to get out the door after I washed my hair, so I just had to put it in braids and go. This is me doing it the next day. I really like the formulation on this gel to foam mousse. It's much thicker, and that's really helpful for my fine, coily hair. I need just a little bit more weight, but it's still lightweight, just to have those curls elongated. I also want to share something personal with you all. My journey to achieving wash and goes on my tightly coiled fine hair. For the longest time, I didn't think it was possible for my hair type. But, I've been going through a lot of experimenting. I'm finding what works for me. So if you ever felt like wash and goes weren't for you, just continue to explore. Enjoy the journey, and I'll share some tips that you can keep in mind and that will change your mind that you could be a wash and go girly too. Keep these 4 tips in mind. Moisture is key. Make sure your hair is very hydrated and moisturized. Choose the right product combo. Also work in small sections and don't be afraid to experiment. Here I am going to go in with a middle part. I'm just going to slide this to the side, but for now we're going to put it away. I'm going to continue with my steps for defining the curls, my botanical gel, and then my gel to foam. I am using Xtreme Gel. I love this gel so much. It really helps my hair stay in place and it helps slick it down. I am just tucking this behind my ear and adding some bobby pins to make sure it's secure. I added about 3 bobby pins on each side. If I don't add at least 3 bobby pins, there will be so much tension in that area and the front will not stay in place at all. I'm going to wrap my head with a scarf, leave that on until it dries. And there you have it, a gorgeous wash and go using my cheap method. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to the tribe for more hair tips and tricks. See you next time.